Auntie, come look good. Why you have to put up your arm over my again? Your arm stink?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dainelle. Thanks for keeping it real. That's how I'm back. I'm glad for that. My name is Dainelle. For those who know, don't know, and want to know, before getting that video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Please, I want to watch the video from the start to the end. The video really I feel from a long time because you know, in order for plan a prank, it take a little time, guys. I've been requesting prank and all that, but for me, it kind of hard for the prank because you know, we're Jamaicans, we're actually known, well, whoever do prank in my house, so we practically know when somebody actually a prank. And if you prank more than 3 times, you know, we're supposed to, you know, catch up and say, alright, I prank me again, you understand? So you kind of hard, but the prank here, it's gonna take all my work, hard work and sweat and everything, guys. I want y'all to like, comment, subscribe, and share the love, tell a friend, and next time, alright, now come auntie just know that my auntie just gonna shop and everybody inside, well, my cousin them inside, my 2 cousins them inside, and I don't want anyone to know that I'm doing this because I want everybody to believe it. So first part, I'm gonna do, I just put one bag of something for myself. For myself smell like what you see in the description, in the title down below. I'm going to make myself extremely stink. And see if my auntie can tell me. She not hesitate to tell you when you stink, you know. Even though we really stink, you know. Don't bother be thinking stuff. Anyways, me just wake up and suffer. That's how my ear kind of look so mad and suffer. Don't judge. Well, no, say me I keep it real. Because I ever show myself like this. But anyways, no further ado, this is the day after I post my spicy noodle challenge. Just for confirmation, that was some real hot pepper. So nobody thinks say, yo, I feel me something. Me know I can be extra, especially in crucial pain. But that pepper was a serious pepper. Seriously. Like, me legit never really in my mouth now, I put it in my mouth, but I couldn't swallow it because the pepper just literally just mash up my mouth same time, like it, one volcano literally just erupt in my mouth as I put it in my mouth. You see, I may ask you, I say no man, but anyways, if y'all didn't watch that video, go and watch that video now. The link to that video will be down in my description, or you can just go on my channel. Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Please keep it real. I like the viewership so far. We're growing and we're glowing. Y'all been keeping it real, and that's why I'm happy. I'm so happy for that. Anyways, no further ado, get in the video. Please don't judge if don't go wrong, cause I'm gonna know a reaction. Let me know. Just some killer reaction. Anyways, but I have more prank coming for y'all, so just keep it real. Hey guys, so it's the day of the prank. Actually, it's the night, but I don't know if I can't hear me kind of talk so because wait. I saw another thing on that prank. So we're supposed to do the reaction video, and I know some of them have been posting all that, but maybe get into that tonight in the actual intro. Anyways. So she in the kitchen. I have the single bed, but we're going to use the wife and I'm have the salad in. And I don't know how we're going to do this, but I'm just going to act as if. Come in a bed and I'm going to be able to try to hold it so long. I'm going to be able to can't go be able to hold it. So I'm going to dip a little to some arm, and every time she have to try to just make me see if she can keep it real because I've been keeping it real with her. So auntie, can you keep it real? Guys, soon the next time we'll see when the video. So the video is on mine. Guys, it is so stink. This is what I'm going to use a little party right here. So she don't have front me option of smell it. It is so strong. If you know it's single by books in Jamaica. Yeah, I believe some people call it cactus, I'm not sure, but anyways, yeah. This made a little piece under my arm. Can't make it too serious. Y'all just pray for me, y'all. Pray for me. I'm so nervous. What's up, guys? It's your girl Dainelle, and I'm back with another video. started, I just want to show you two persons of this might have a shout out. So I have my phone ready and thing. So the first one it goes out to Damai Reed. Thanks for keeping it real, sis. And it VP and Justin, thanks for keeping it real, bro. God, no say I have one, I wanna have me. I know it's been a while, but not for bear with me. I must have my reasons, you know. Anyway, some answer what
it's Cape time, it's back to school and all those things.
Yeah, and plus
nothing.
I'm other life too.
Which other life?
Anyways, guys, let's get to the video. Let's see the title down below. You know this is going to have 6 pictures, but the rock paper scissors so we'll go first, and we just go straight into the reaction. Ready?
Ready.
Rock paper scissors shoot. Rock paper scissors shoot. Boom. Me go first. I should never know what one. Anyways, so the first one.
So I no say the fast still, you know, positive bottle for you.
Come your time.
I Zolande.
Guys, this is too much.
Woman. No. It's not there.
What?
It's not there.
What is it?
Alright, that's a nothing, man.
Get the one. My heart.
I'm preparing now, but I'm not so prepared from. Just realize some never put it back there.
I'm here on a second day.
The AC not on.
Yeah, but I'm sweat.
You're nervous. You're nervous. Wait, may I look for you, man. It's coming, it's coming, it's coming. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
You think I can manage it? What's my arm?
What is it? What do you mean?
No, not the arm, man. But it's wet.
My arm what?
Don't feel it.
Come here, Snake.
Yeah, where you said so?
I'm just tired about this. It's like killing me.
Yeah. No, one it's like a strip boy right there, so.
Yeah, make them see this.
Like. You don't play. Yeah, ask me if you ask me now, so me cool. So I'm with you, girl.
This don't look no way.
Some fine picture when I look now yet, it got hard.
But the leg may look like your leg.
Oh, for leg.
Your leg may look like a year foot.
Oh, for one.
No, for true, look on it.
No, man. I got foot and borrow. Ready now?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Hot man.
Come girl, next photo come camera now.
See there.
Out. You didn't have ear too.
Tell me some and them no feeble.
No, your eyes them just big.
Auntie, come look good.
Why you have to put up your arm over my egg? Your arm stink? Mama smell the arm.
I'm just...
That's it. Your arm stink.
I'm being myself.
Your beard? Your beard?
I see what some of you want to cut out. My arm stinking. My arm does stink.
What you say?
Smell my arm.
I know my nose over the glasses. It's not goggle.
My arm does smell stink to
That's
me.
why that's sweat. That's right, that's right.
That's how I'm said. I'm dusty. No, smell it.
Ooh.
That's embarrassing. I don't feel bad.
That's why you push up your arm underneath my nose, so.
I now push up my arm and then you know.
Girl?
Do you start to my video?
No?
Why?
I gotta post it to you.
Why am I supposed to say it?
It's stinky now. You wanna say I'm a stink?
I don't smell no.
Next photo, I done girl. Come now.
A 6 photo that.
A 6 photo? Well guys, as you realize, Missy needs to go sort herself.
Is a prank?
What? I'm gonna put her in the arm.
See the baby come after me I go to my heart. So nah, smell it. It a bun me empty.
It green.
You know, let me put it a prank here. And she won't even know man to scratch me. Smell it.
That's what it's stinking now. It green. I'm stinking.
She said, your arm stink. I say you push up and I'm going to have to me say it. I'm a little bitter because it touched my mouth.
Oh, hey, it touched right so I come like that burn the tip of it.
So you take off glasses. Anyways, guys, not to stray. As you know, see, me have a video from a long time I plan it.
So it's actually a prank and not a photo, nothing.
Yeah. Just that wait for the right time.
I come look fucking in the video. Guys, don't worry.
Anyways, guys, thanks for keeping it real. Like, comment, subscribe, share, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend. I not really go deep for no picture because this was the aim.
And the first person that comments under the video, you know you're gonna get a thumbs up or really stink. Your arm stink.
I use sardine for myself too.